How's it going, everyone? Weston here with GoWesty, and today we're going over the clutch pedal fix kit. Due to its design, the Vanagons clutch pedals are all pretty worn by now, even to the point of being worn out completely through. This kit is a solution to this problem. We begin this installation by removing the lower steering column cover. If you have cruise control, uninstall the pedal switches and move them out of the way. Undo the spring attached to the clutch pedal. Then undo the two bolts securing the clutch master to the vehicle and move it out of the way. Next, using a mirror or your cell phone's camera, locate the cotter pin holding the clevis to the clutch pedal. Then, using a pick, locate the loop portion of the cotter pin. Using some force, pull down, removing it from the clutch clevis pin. Sometimes, the cotter pin may be too rigid to yank out. If this is the case, you'll have to straighten out the tabs with the flathead screwdriver. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we push on the clevis pin, removing it from the assembly. We then remove the assembly from the vehicle. Loosen the jam nut and uninstall the rod from the clevis. Mark the location about 3 mm further down on the threads and move the jam nut to this location. Then thread the rod into the new clevis assembly. With the clevis assembly now reassembled with the new measurement, tighten the jam nut. Orientate the assembly like shown, and reinstall the assembly in the vehicle, being sure that the U bracket sits at the lower portion of the clutch pedal. We slide the assembly into place, and using our finger, we push the pin, securing it to the clutch pedal. Reinstall the clutch master, but leave the bolt slightly loose so it can be adjusted. There should be about 1 to 2 mm of play. Once this adjustment is achieved, tighten the bolts. If after reassembly this measurement is not correct, you may need to uninstall and make adjustments. Alternatively, if you have a 15 mm crow's foot, you can do this adjustment in the vehicle. Reinstall the clutch pedal spring, cancellation switches, and lower steering column cover. And that's it, you're all done. Thanks for following along, and we'll catch you on the next one.